Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell digital notebooks on Gumroad. All right, so first up, you need to save your notebook as an interactive PDF with clickable tabs for easy page navigation. All right, and once that's done, you want to go ahead over to products right here, the left panel of your Gumroad dashboard, and then just click on new products. And then after that, let's go ahead and click on digital product, okay? So once done, go ahead and give it a name. For example, hyperlinked digital notebooks. Scroll down, add in the price, for example, $10. Now go ahead and click on next, customize right here at the very top. Now go ahead and add in the description. So for example, hyperlinked digital notebooks that got 12 tabs, all right? Be more specific so that your buyers can understand what they're trying to buy, all right? So scroll down, add in the cover. So for example, just this cover right here, I'm going to click on open, and then the thumbnail as well, open. And then once that's done, scroll all the way down. If it got a variation, go ahead and add in some variations. Configure the settings right here or however you want, and then scroll all the way up, click on content. Now here's the place where you would want to upload your hyperlinked PDF. So click on upload files. Do you have the file on Dropbox? Well, go ahead and select Dropbox right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use computer media. And let's say this one is the PDF. Click on open, wait for it to load. And then once done, click on save changes. And after that, publish and continue. But before you can click on publish and continue, make sure that you have an active payouts account right here. And if you don't know how to set up your payouts account, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. But that's it for now. That's how easy it is to sell digital notebooks on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.